Sassicaia is arguably the most famous Italian winery, the most famous Italian wine producer, located around the village of Bolgheri in the appellation of Bolgheri on the coast of Tuscany. How do you go about pronouncing Sassicaia? Well, there is a double S to Sassicaia, so you do want to emphasize on the double S, so say Sassicaia. You do want to put an accent on the Ka. Sassicaia, 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 the most famous, one of the most expensive wine in Italy. Sassicaia makes wine mainly based on the Merlot grape together with some Cabernet Sauvignon on the coast of Tuscany, the most famous of all Sassicaia wines being the wine called Masseto, that is 100% Merlot grape. Sassicaia, Sassicaia. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work before you go, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine and Italian wine pronunciation. Au revoir. Ciao ciao. Arrivederci.